Can artificial intelligence really make you $1,000 a day in 2025? The answer will shock you, yes, but only if you know these secret methods that 95% of people are completely ignoring. In this exclusive video, I'm going to reveal 4 revolutionary AI strategies that ordinary people are using right now to generate astronomical income. Stay until the end, because I'll also reveal the copy-paste method you can apply today, even if you've never touched AI before. Warning, this video could change your financial life forever. AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's the economic revolution of our time. The numbers speak for themselves. The AI market will be worth $1.8 trillion by 2030. 73% of businesses are investing heavily in AI. YouTube creators average $18,000 per month. Look at these real examples. Sarah, 28, stay-at-home mom. She created a faceless YouTube channel with ChatGPT. Result, $3,800 in 3 months without showing her face. Mike, former employee, he uses AI trading bots. Average monthly profit, $10,200. Lisa, college student. AI automated affiliate marketing. First month, $1,400. Sixth month, $9,300. The difference between those who earn and those who watch. Action. The method that's crushing it in 2025, YouTube Faceless Automation 2.0. Here's the exact process. Step 1, choose an ultra-profitable niche. AI and technology with high CPM. Personal finance with lucrative affiliates. Self-development with engaged audience. Step 2, AI content generation. ChatGPT for scripts with secret prompts included. 11 Labs for perfect voices. Leonardo AI for stunning visuals. Step 3, professional editing. CapCut Pro or DaVinci, which is free. Royalty-free music. AI thumbnails with Midjourney. Revelation. Faceless. AI channels have a huge advantage. YouTube favors consistency, and AI lets you publish daily without effort. Revenue potential, $600,000 to $18,000 per month. Second method, AI affiliate marketing that generates while you sleep. Forget traditional affiliate marketing. AI changes everything. The complete system. Phase 1, smart research. AI to identify high-commission products. Automated competitor analysis. Trend prediction. Phase 2, massive content creation. 50 blog posts per week with GPT-4. Automated Instagram posts. AI-generated TikTok videos. Phase 3, continuous optimization. Automated A/B testing, message personalization. Real-time conversion tracking. Pro tip, focus on digital products with $1,200 plus commissions. One client equals monthly goal achieved. Real example, trading course at $2,400 equals $1,200 commission. Sell 30 courses monthly equals $36,000. Third method, AI automated trading. Warning, this method is for strategists. But the results are spectacular. How it works. Beginner level, copy trading bots like eToro and Zulu Trade. Free AI signals. Starting capital, $600. Intermediate level, 3 commas for crypto. TradingView with AI alerts. Capital, $2,400. Expert level, custom algorithms. Advanced machine learning. Capital, $12,000 plus. Disclaimer, trading involves risks. Start small, learn, then scale. Testimonial. Quote, "My AI bots generated 142% profit in 8 months. I don't trade manually anymore." End quote. Kevin, professional trader. Secret bonus method. Sell on demand AI services. Services that are exploding. AI copywriting at $120 per article. Chatbot creation at $600 per project. AI data analysis at $240 per hour. AI graphic design at $60 per creation. My foolproof strategy: first, master 2 to 3 specialized AI tools. Second, create irresistible packages. Third, automate 80% of the work. Fourth, charge premium for expertise. Result: 3 to 4 hours of work equals $1,200 revenue. Live demo: let's create your first AI YouTube video together. Time needed: 2 hours maximum. Step 1, script, 15 minutes. ChatGPT. Prompt, quote, "Write a 1,200-word script about the 5 mistakes destroying personal finances." Style: engaging concrete examples. Powerful call to action, end quote. Step 2, voiceover, 10 minutes. Paste into 11 labs. Recommended voice: Rachel, professional English. Export high-quality MP3. Step 3, visuals, 30 minutes. Leonardo, AI, professional financial graphs, modern style, 4K. Stock footage. Unsplash, Pexels. Animations, Canva Pro. Step 4, editing, 45 minutes. Audio-video synchronization. Smooth transitions. Automatic subtitles. Eye-catching thumbnail. Result: a PRO video ready to explode on YouTube. So can AI really make you $1,000 a day in 2025? After seeing these 4 revolutionary methods, you know the answer. Yes, absolutely. But warning, information without action is worth nothing. Your mission for the next 24 hours. First, choose one method that inspires you. Second, download my free guide. Link below. Third, take action immediately. Exclusive bonus. The first 100 to download will receive my secret list of 47 free AI tools that I personally use. Like this video if it changed your vision of AI. Subscribe and hit the bell to never miss any strategy. In the next video, I'll reveal my 3 secret AI tools that generate 90% of my income. The future belongs to those who master AI. Be one of them.